Bonjour, bonsoir, salut tout le monde. Bienvenue à apprendre le français avec Frank Martins. Hi everyone, I am Frank Martins. Welcome to Learn French with Frank Martins. Today we'll be introducing to you a new series of video. Will be allowing you to understand the verbs in French, especially the present tense. Thank you so much for following us. Thank you. Okay guys, then what is the advantages to watching this video, guys? This series of videos will be regarding the conjugation of the verbs in French, especially in the present tense. Okay, verbs intro will be okay. First of all, we make the introduction. It means that this video is an introduction of our series. Okay, the second one will be learning the first group verbs, which are also called ER verbs, and also the regular verbs. It means there are first group verbs, ER verbs, and regular verbs. And then the second one will be the third part of this series will be introducing the second group verbs, or IR verb, or regular verbs. Okay, the fourth one will be introducing the third group verbs and the irregular verbs. You understand? The first group verb are first group verbs, ER verb, regular. The second group verbs are second group verbs, IR verbs, and regular. It means the first and second are regular. This is all particular things that are together. The third group verb are third group verbs, as we said, and irregular verbs. That here we used to give ending of the third group verb, but I suggest to you, please don't learn the ending of the third group verb, because there are like that kind of changing a lot of time. Okay, we'll be learning it deeply also. Don't worry about that. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, let's introduce them one by one. In English first, all the verbs ending by er in French are called first group verbs, or verbs, or regular verbs, as we have told you. Okay, except the verb aller. Be careful with this verb. Aller is not a first group verb. It is an irregular verb. In French, tous les verbes qui se terminent par er sont des verbes en er ou des verbes réguliers. Tous les verbes qui se terminent en er sont des verbes en er ou des verbes irréguliers. Très bien. All the verbs ending by er are verbs or regular verbs. Ok, next will be tous les verbes qui se terminent en IR sont des verbes du deuxième groupe ou des verbes réguliers. Means, but, mais, d'une grande partie, les verbes en IR sont des verbes irréguliers. Okay, that means what, guys? All the verbs ending by IR are second group verbs or regular verbs. But the big part of these IR verbs are irregular verbs. This is a problem. We'll be learning also how to recognize if the verb ending by IR is a regular or irregular verb. Come on, we can see here venir, partir, devenir, etc., etc. You mean that you think in your mind that these verbs are regular? No, they are not second group verbs. They are irregular verbs. Why that happen? Please keep stuck on your screen. We'll be explaining you why it is like this. Thank you so much. Okay, the biggest question is mais comment les reconnaître? But how to know, how to recognize this IR verb if the IR verb you are seeing is a regular or irregular verb? Very easy, don't worry guys. The irregular verbs, it is irregular verb if the IR is followed an O, that means that literally this verb is irregular. Okay, we have some example. We'll be saying that in our coming section. Please keep watching this video. Okay, if the verb is a motion, you know motion, a movement from A to B, a movement from A to B, the verbs will be irregular. Like we said before that venir, partir are irregular. Why? Because venir is to come. It's making an action from A to B, to come from A to B. Or the verb partir, to leave from one place to another place. That makes that the verb is a motion verb. That's why they are irregular. And if the IR is also following an O, it is irregular verb. Then let's explain it deeply again. Maybe you are confused a little bit. Look at these verbs. These verbs are we have please recall that we said if the verb, the IR is following an O, it is irregular. If the verb ending by RR is a motion verb, it is irregular. Look at this verb, venir, to come from A to B. It is third group verb. It is irregular. Choisir, it is to choose, no motion. To choose, second group verb, regular verb. Partir, to leave from a point to another point. It means it is a motion verb. Then it is to leave, third group verb. And finir, to finish. To finish is not a motion verb, no movement. It can be an action but no motion. Okay, it is second group verb. And then regular verb. Punir, is to punish. To punish is like not a motion verb, it is a regular verb. Okay, agir, is to react, or to act. It is not a motion verb, it is a regular verb, second group verb. Courir, is to run from A to B. To run from A to B, it is a motion verb that makes a third group verb. Ouvrir, it is to open something from the beginning to the end, a motion. It is a third group verb. Good. Thank you. We hope you understand. Okay, guys, let's start the third group verbs. Okay, let's start it in French. Tous les verbes qui ne font pas partie des verbes du premier ou du deuxième groupe sont les verbes irréguliers. That means all the verbs not ending which are not first group verb or second group verb are irregular verb. It means third group verbs. Okay. Ils ont plusieurs terminaisons. They have many endings. Okay. For example, we have the verb avoir, être, prendre, écrire, vendre, venir, aller, attendre, apprendre, comprendre, pouvoir, boire, entendre, rendre, lire, élire, fuir. Good. As you can see here, most of the third group verbs are ending by RE. I don't want to tell you that one because when we see RE, to learn better this irregular verb, you have to forget that there are ending, and then we will we'll learn it according to some kind of ending. Okay, look at here, guys. I'm making like a different color because I also say through this also practice, I want you to practice the reading in French. We make the syllable. The syllables are read in French. When you want to read, you do not read exactly. I can say avoir. It is two sounds. Être, two sounds. Prendre, two sounds. Écrire, 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 two sounds. Vendre, vendre, tout sound. Venir, venir, aller, attendre, apprendre, comprendre, three sound. Pouvoir, two sound. Boire, entendre, three sound. Rendre, lire, et lire, two sound. Fuir, 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 two sound. Fu and ir. Good, well done. Let's move for how to conjugate them then. Please stick on. Ok, merci les gars, merci d'avoir suivi cette vidéo. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Au revoir, à bientôt, merci. Goodbye, see you soon. Thanks. Bye. Okay guys, also don't forget our next video will be regarding first group verb, how to communicate with first group verbs in the present tense and some exception regarding to them also, because the first group verbs are regular verbs that sometimes there is some verbs ending by er, but the conjugation will be a little bit changing, but that will not make them regular or something. We'll be learning them deeply. Don't worry guys. Thank you so much and see you next time for the first group. Thank you so much for watching.